If you've ever spent hours scrolling TikTok trying to figure out which products are hot right now, or wasted money creating videos for products that don't even sell, you know how frustrating product research can be. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find trending TikTok products and get ready to use video ads for them without guessing, filming, or spending a fortune. Let's jump right in. The hardest part about dropshipping isn't building your store. It's figuring out which products are actually worth your time. TikTok is a goldmine for trends, but it can also be overwhelming because you're scrolling through countless posts, your suppliers have low quality photos or no content at all, and custom UGC costs hundreds of dollars before you even know if a product's gonna sell. That slows you down and makes testing way riskier than it needs to be. So I recently just started using this new tool from a US-based supplier called Doba. They just launched something called the VideoHub, and honestly, it's one of the smartest shortcuts I've seen for product research. Inside the VideoHub, you'll find sourcing ideas or expert selected products based on trends. You'll find products that influencers already love, giving you instant social proof. And then you'll see the supplier showcase. It's a library of high quality video ads that you can download and use right away. So instead of wasting time scrolling and hoping, you can see what's performing and grab content that's ready to go. Let's jump into my laptop and take a look. So I'll go ahead and leave the link for Doba's VideoHub down below for you guys. But to access it from the homepage when you first log in, you're just gonna select the little tab right here that says VideoHub. And right here is where you're gonna find some of the top performing products, and you're able to source high quality content for each one of them. So right away, if we take a look at sourcing ideas, it's gonna show us the top performing products in each niche. If we click right here, you can see the top 5 best performing baby products, and you can add each individual one to your store by clicking on this icon right here, or you can add them all. We'll exit out of there and we'll keep taking a look at this list. So we have 5 trending products, we have beauty products, home decor, and each one of these sections has a very high quality video that you can use on your own website. And like I already mentioned, adding these products to your own store is super simple. It just takes one click. So if we scroll down, here's their influencer picks. These are just some products that are talked about in different YouTube videos from some different influencers on YouTube. And then down here is their actual supplier showcase like we already talked about. So right up here, you can sort it by different categories or niches depending on what you're actually selling. But if you don't have any products in mind yet, just leave that alone and let's scroll through this list. So you can see all of these different products right here, as well as the high quality videos associated with each one. So for example, if you wanted to sell this backpack right here, you could download this video by clicking on this little download icon, and you could upload it on your website, or you could throw it into an editor like CapCut, clean it up a little bit, and use it for your Facebook ads. And just like above, you can add all of these products to your store in one click by clicking on this icon. You can select whatever tags you want and then add it to your inventory list. It's gonna give you some other suggestions right here, and you can view your entire inventory list right here. But just keep scrolling through this list of winning products until you find something that catches your attention, something you're passionate about, something you definitely could see yourself selling. Like for example, this is a very popular product in the pet niche, this dog seatbelt right here, and you already have some high quality videos that you can use for all of your ads. Keep scrolling down, they have supplements with supplement videos, that's awesome. Same thing for these home products right here. More supplement videos, that's great to see. Fishing trap with another high quality video that you can use for people that are into fishing. A knee massager video. Wow, so this one's already edited and ready to go. You can upload this right to Facebook and use it for your video ads. But it's never been easier to source high quality content like this for your products. Just add the product to your store, download the video, and you're ready to go. So now let's talk about how you can actually use this strategy to sell these products on TikTok. You want to start by picking a trending product on the VideoHub, and you can select as many products or videos as you want. They're all offered by Doba completely free. You're going to download 1 or 2 of the videos provided by the suppliers for each product you're selling. Then you're going to add captions, B-rolls, and trending sounds in a free video editor like CapCut. You can post these videos organically on your TikTok page or create a test campaign. But with this strategy, you get speed. You can go from idea to live product in a single day because you're not waiting around on editing and filming and everything else with UGC. So test this out and let me know how it works for you. To put it in simple terms, dropshipping is all about how fast you can test and learn. Doba's VideoHub takes care of 2 of the biggest bottlenecks: finding hot products and sourcing professional videos. That way you can focus on what's really important: running ads and making sales. I'll drop a link for the VideoHub down below in case you guys want to try it out yourself. Even if you just browse for inspiration, it's a great way to see what's moving right now. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more ecom tips, and let me know in the comments below which products you're excited to test. And that's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.